All right, y'all, so we're going to do a quick little tour of my new house here in Challis, Idaho. I've been in the house for a few days, been up here for right at a week, but let's take a look at this house. So kind of a classic style in this neighborhood, in this town. It was real basic box, got the lap siding and the brick front. Mowgli loves the fact that he can stand and look out the window. He gets to watch deer and cats and other dogs walk through his yard. Anyway, this is the front yard. Everybody around here, there's alleys between all the houses, and everybody around here just parks in the back like it's a garage. So that's where I'm at. But anyway, take a look at this. Here's the backyard. I got a little bit of fence work to do to keep this dog in. For the time being, I've got him on a cable on that apple tree there. But let's go in the front. Place needs a little bit of love. Paint is really bad on the outside, and sorry, gotta get the camera to work. And the windows all need to be cleaned really good and whatnot, but the inside's pretty cool. So we got hardwood floors all throughout. Look at. I got a 108-inch big screen. Got a wood stove insert. Got the gratuitous bachelor chairs and cardboard box end table. Got the stereo set up over there. Kitchen. I love this nice big deep stainless sinks. Not a whole lot of counter space in here. Dinner. I'm not done eating yet, so that's still there. And beer. But a lot of cabinet space. A lot of cabinet space. I don't think I got enough shit to fill these cabinets. I'm going to try. Walk on through. Came with a huge refrigerator for rental. There's, this is like a little office. There's no doors on this room. Nice little room. Got some tools in here that I don't want to take to the dungeon. I don't want to take those down those stairs. Let's go on through here. It's nice. It's got a little closet in it. Upstairs bathroom. I got a little bit of work to do in here. Back bedroom. It's a soothing blue, I told the landlord. Got these built-in shelves. The closets are kind of a trip in here. You got drawers in this elevated closet. I don't know that I've ever seen this before. Neat. What do you think, Mowgli? What do you think? I think I don't like cameras, that's what he thinks. And another little closet, storage out here in the hallway. And the front bedroom. Yes. I'm using my sleeping bag because it's a twin bed and I don't want my blankets laying on the floor. That's got to change real soon. This got a huge closet here. It's got another one of those elevated closets here. And it has another closet with shelves. There's freaking closets everywhere in this house. You could lose where you put your shit. Did you lose your shit? No? He's got 2 bedrooms. He sleeps in the front room and in my room. Anyway, let's go check out the basement. Basement's cool. It's huge. It's as big as it's actually bigger than the house. No light. We gotta get a light in that. The stairs are really steep. And I'm a little tall for some of the spaces in here. Anyway, this is the main room of the basement. Cabinets, storage. Everywhere. Cabinets under the stairs. There's a big upright freezer. It was here. She said she thinks it works. She doesn't know how they got it down here. She doesn't want to deal with taking it out. So she's not going to take it out. So I get to use it if it works. Dark. Bike room. Yeah. This is set up as a downstairs bedroom. And there's still a lot of stuff I got to clean up. That window is broke and there's all kinds of debris in the well, so I had the window open just to get some air in here, and all the crap blew in. Little built-in desk. Open closet. Well, it's got the fixtures for a bifold. But that's the closet in the downstairs bedroom. Let's go check this out. This other room. We got any light here? Don't have light here. This is like a utility room. You know, there's shelves, cabinets, more shelves over there. Hopefully you can see that. The heater is down here. And then it has a downstairs bathroom. Toilet, sink, shower, and space. There's a lot of room in here. A lot of room. Oh yeah. This is the coolest. Hang on, it's dark. I gotta turn on a light. Hang on, wait. It's got a root cellar. Look, they put stone on the ceiling so it looked like you were in a cave. These big timbers. Stuff in here. Yeah, I don't know. Anyway, huge root cellar. Hey, dog. Go. All right, that's the basement. Lights out. Let's go check out the backyard. That's where Mowgli wants to show you the backyard. Let's go. Show him the backyard. Show him your yard. No, we're not going out there. So it's got this deck area, and she just put this new cover on. So it's got a full cover. I've got to do something to close the dog in better. The fence isn't high enough, but I got another chair. I got a bed frame for, hopefully I get a queen mattress here pretty soon. Let's walk down here. You see the fence is really, it's too low for him. He can go over a 6-foot fence, so I got to get that fixed up. I'm going to do a garden in this area. This spot gets sun almost all day long. There's a little metal shed out here. Not really, there's a couple of cans of paint or whatever. What are you going to graze? And I got this great big apple tree. She said she thinks they're crab apple. I don't know. We'll find out. And then this bit of nastiness, that's got to go away. And the lawn. People are here here for like 8 years, and you know some of the stuff hasn't been taken care of. So the landlord's really excited that I'm excited about cleaning up the yard and cleaning up the house. See, the paint's in bad shape on this end. This is the west end of the house, so it gets the worst of the sun. See, this is that window that I was showing you in that downstairs bedroom. Just a bunch of garbage down in there. But, oh yeah, satellite dish there, satellite dish there. There's cable running all over this freaking house. Telephone cable, communications cable. This is supposed to be, I don't know what the hell this is. It's supposed to be some kind of a, I think it's a digital, like digital internet system. I don't know. That shit's all gotta go away. See, there's cable. Every wall on the outside of the house has got, I don't know, 3, 4, 5 cables coming down the wall and going in the house. It's all gotta go away. And then my firewood area has got a bunch of stuff. She had that tree cut down a little while back, and there's bits of firewood all over the place. I gotta get some pallets and put down here and get the firewood cleaned up. There's this big garage slab. I guess the guy poured the slab and then he went to get the permit to build a garage, and they told him he can't do it because it's too close to the property line. So I'll go down and talk to him and find out, you know, can I put a portable shed on there and one of those temporary carports or something, just to have something out here. You look around, you see all those piles of grass clippings and everything. I guess that's where they had their garden before. Not a good spot. Anyway, welcome to my home. Thanks for joining me.